Good morning. Yesterday we started chapter on agriculture. In yesterday we have done types of crops and what is the pattern of agriculture in India. We have discussed wheat, rice, and some other crops like that. Now we are going to discuss ahead. First crop is maize. What is maize? Maize is used as food and fodder crop. Food and fodder crop. It's a kharif crop. Maize is used for human and also as a fodder for animals. The next thing is this, that the temperature required in this, which is 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. Rainfall is needed approximately 50 to 100 centimeter. Rainfall needed where rainfall is not occurred properly when harvesting, before harvesting production can be increased through the irrigation method. The main producing state Bihar is the only state where maize is produced through both in Kharif and Rabi season. Both in Kharif and Rabi season. In Bihar, maize is produced in winter and summer season. And another states are Karnataka, etc. There are a lot of other states where production of maize is done. Now, this is the maize. Now we are going to discuss our next pulses. So, how pulses are important? Pulses is both Rabi and Kharif season sown in summer and winter. Pulses. There are a lot of types of pulses like moon, and Urud, Masoor. This is the type of pulses which can grow in summer and winter, dependent on the types of pulse, that when we sowing this and harvesting this, it can be produced in dry area or humid area. Main state where it is grown in Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan, Haryana, etc. There are a lot of states given in the books, so we are just taking some. Now, next topic is discussing food crops other than ग्रेन्स यानी कि अनाज के अलावा की फूड क्रॉप्स. सो नेक्स्ट वन इज sugar cane. Sugar cane. It grow in volume. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये पूरे साल में होता है, इसका प्रोडक्शन पूरे साल में होता है. ये मोटी डेवलपमेंट दोनों इलाके में होता है, दोनों में ये हो सकता है. इसके अलावा इसको टेम्परेचर जो है वो 21 डिग्री सेल्सियस से 27 डिग्री सेल्सियस का है. रेनफॉल जो है वो 75 सेंटीमीटर टू 100 सेंटीमीटर. एंड इट इज sown by manual labor. It cannot sown by machineries. एंड इंडिया जो है वो सेकंड पोजीशन पे है. इंडिया सेकंड पोजीशन पे है. फर्स्ट पे है ब्राज़ील. ब्राज़ील शुगर केन प्रोडक्शन में फर्स्ट रैंक, एंड देन सेकंड रैंक इज होल्डिंग बाय इंडिया. द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज मेन स्टेट्स आर यूपी, महाराष्ट्र, कर्नाटक, वेस्ट बंगाल, एमपी, पंजाब, हरियाणा, etc. There are a lot of states where sugarcane is produced. Now we continue to our next topic is oilseed. If we discuss about oilseed, then oilseed crops are like mustard, sunflower, groundnut. These are the main oilseed crops. यानी कि ये वो फसलें हैं जिनके सीड से ऑयल प्रोड्यूस किया जाता है, जिनके सीड से ऑयल मिलता है. सबसे ज़्यादा ऑयल प्रोडक्शन जो है वो इंडिया में थर्ड पोजीशन. इंडिया जो है वो थर्ड पोजीशन पे है. इंडिया रखता है. ऑयल सीड्स प्रोडक्शन में सबसे आगे आता है कनाडा एंड देन चाइना. फर्स्ट पोजीशन कनाडा की है, सेकंड चाइना, एंड द थर्ड पोजीशन होल्ड बाय इंडिया. इन 2015 there are approximately 12% of the total area, 12% not 100%, 12% area is area in agriculture. Taken by oilseed. यानी कि oilseed का प्रोडक्शन टोटल एरिया के 12% पे था. नेक्स्ट अदर एग्जांपल्स आर कोकोनट आल्सो गिवन, तिल और सीसम. There are a lot of types of oil seeds. However, some oil seeds are as a raw material. They can use in a raw material groundnut. Groundnut is a kharif crop, and there are a lot of crops which are produced in Rabi and Kharif season. They are both produced in Rabi and Kharif season according to their time. Now we are going to discuss about tea. Before starting this tea, we have to cover the previous part, then we go ahead from tea, coffee and any other types of crops. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.